Good morning, traders. I just took the trade that I called out in my charting service, and I just exited the trade because I am going to get another trade here, and I had to do something. So I am back right now. I messed up the first video. Actually, I forgot to record it, and but I'm recording this one. See it recording, and it's recording the right screen now. My mistake is that during the day I do the charting and I record the left screen, and then when I do the trading I record the right screen. Sometimes I forget to change the screens, and then I sit there and record the wrong screen. It doesn't show anything. Anyway, I've got the right screen recorded here. I just took one trade. I took the trade called out in my charting service. Worked perfectly. I am looking for another entry here. There's two trades I called. Another one is going to be coming up. I'm looking for it now, and as soon as it comes, I'm going to take it. This trade should be good for about 60 ticks. So I'm going to adjust this here and go for 60 ticks. I already got like 20, a little over 20, and I'm going to take another trade. So I'll be back shortly. By the way, just to confirm the time, the world clock is saying it's 7:55 a.m. in the morning in Los Angeles, and here in Bangkok where I am it's 21:55, which is 9:55 in the evening. Same day, just 9:55 in the evening. So it's 9:55 p.m. to me right now, but I've got my clock on my computer set to Los Angeles, so it's 7:55 in the morning, and that's what you're seeing, 7:55 in the morning a.m. That's where I'm from, so I like to use that time because it makes more sense to me on when everything opens up. Anyway, I'll come back. I'm going to take another trade. Oh, by the way, for all you charting members out there, I've actually made 3 calls. One of them wasn't sure about. Two of them I was. They all 3 worked, or I mean 2 of them have worked so far. I'm going to take the 3rd one, and it should also work. So that's the most for sure one of them all. So it should work, no problem, piece of cake. But the first one worked as well, the Euro code 2. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. I didn't get a chance to take that one because I wasn't here. I was gone, but I could have taken it. I'm sure some of you have taken it and made a very good trade on that one. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, I've just taken a long entry here. The computer has given away a tell that it is going to move up. I need to adjust the stop. Unfortunately, I need to use a fairly large stop on this trade. I don't like to do that, but if I don't want to have the stop get hit, I don't have any choice. So I'm going to adjust the stop right now, and I'll be back. I've got a 50 tick exit on this. I might increase it more. Let me calculate it for a moment, and I'll come back and see. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a large stop on this thing. It's like a 47 tick stop. I hate doing that, but what I'm doing is I'm using the breakout technique that I teach within my charting service and within my video courses. And you know, when you use that technique, it has pros and cons, and you know, sometimes it works, you know, perfect, and you can use the 20 tick stop no problem. Sometimes you have no choice but to use a very large stop. Unfortunately, today it's one of those days where I need to use a very large stop. Normally I would only trade a 20 tick stop, but the thing is that as long as I use that stop, it's not going to get hit, and it's going to go up. It's just a matter of how far up it will go. So let me calculate that now, and then I will know what the appropriate exit is. I'll be right back. Okay, for this particular trade, I'm just going to keep it at 50 ticks. That's pushing it a little bit, but there's a good chance that it'll make it. So I'm going to keep it at the 50 ticks, and because I did say if this thing goes long, watch for it to move up in a big way, and should be able to hit it, I think. If not, it'll come pretty close. So anyway, I'll come back and show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade. I do have to leave for a little bit here, so I will be back, and when I get back I'll show it to you. I just got back from the store, and this is what I'm seeing here. It's gone up a bit. My entry is at 22, so it's not that high up. Exit is at 72. Still got a good chance of hitting it. What I'm going to do here shortly is place a break-even stop on it and just let it go. It'll either hit the exit or hit the break-even stop. But I'm not going to do it yet, though. I just got back. Let me take a look at it for a little bit, see what the code looks like. And I can use code 1 from here to see if it gives short entries or long entries, etc. Anyway, I'll be back shortly to show the progression or at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just wanted to come back on camera to show really quick that I have placed a break-even stop on this trade. I sort of need to turn my back on this trade right now. Just like I did, I had to go down to the store. I need to turn my back on it here for a bit. I don't have time to sit here and watch it. So what's going to happen is basically it's just going to either come down, hit the break-even stop, or it's going to go up and hit the exit. Not necessarily. It might just go up and hang out up here or something. But I will come back in a bit. So if it hasn't hit the stop and it's still up here somewhere, I'll just manually exit. But hopefully it'll get going and shoot up past this high right here and go up towards the exit and get there, or at least come close. But I'll be back in maybe, let's see here, what time is it? I got 11:20 p.m. right now. I'll be back by midnight to check on it. So about 40 minutes from now. So anyway, I'll come back. I don't know which way it's going to go, to be honest. It could have already made its range, or it may go much higher. There's not really any way for me to know that. Okay, so anyway, I'll be back shortly to show you at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's getting somewhat close to the exit here. Made it up to 57 right there. Just has to go a little bit higher. I'm not entirely certain it'll make it. It may come close. It may go barreling past it, and I'm not sure. But I am looking to exit this trade here soon. I'd like it to go up a little bit more, get real close to it, and then I'll just manually exit the trade, unless it shoots up and hits the exit, which it might do. Anyway, I'm looking for an exit here. I'll come back shortly. Okay, I just manually exited the trade just now. It may start to come back down right here. I can't tell for sure. It may shoot higher and make me wish I would have held on to it, but it's no big deal. The point is knowing how being able to take a trade and being able to control it with the stop and being able to be successful with the trade. That's what's important. And that's what I just did. And I took 2 trades tonight, and I called both of them out in advance before they would even happen in my charting service. Anyway, it is late to me now. It's 11:30 at night, 11:30 p.m. So I am going to get going, and I will be back tomorrow for the charting service, and I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I hope all of you traders out there are doing well, and I especially hope that you charting members are doing very, very well, because you should be. All 3 of the calls I made, all 3 of them worked perfectly, and you could have used the breakout technique on every one of them. I will be back tomorrow. I hope you traders are doing well. Take care, and happy trading.